Hello, my dear students. I am Komal Narute. Today, we are going to start with the first chapter of 9th algebra, that is sets. In this chapter, you will learn about sets introduction, type of sets, Venn diagrams, equal set, subset, universal set, intersection and union of set, number of element in a set. So let's get started. Here some pictures are given below. It contains the group of things you know. First is pile of notebooks, second is bunch of keys, third is flower bucket, fourth is flock of birds. In all the above picture, we can clearly list the object of that collection. We use special words for each of the collection. So, we call the collection of such object as a set. So, what is set? If we can definitely and clearly decide the object of a given collection, then that collection is called a set, or a well-defined collection of objects is called a set. Let's see some example. First, days of a week. Second, happy people in the village. In first example, we know the object clearly and we can decide whether it belongs to given group. In second example, the term happy people is a relative term. A may be happy for B, but he may not for C. Since it is not a well-defined, we cannot consider as a set. Let's see some more examples. First, all students in a class. Second, months in a year. Third, brave people. Fourth, collection of numbers. Here, example 1, 2 and 4 are set, but example 3 is not a set. Important term related to sets. Every set represented by a capital letter. The member or element of a set are shown by using small letter. Every member of a set is called an element. If A is an element of a set A, then we write as A belongs to A. This is belongs to sign. A is an element of set A. A is a member of set A. If A is not an element of set A, then we write as A does not belongs to A. This is sign for does not belongs to. Every set denoted inside a curly bracket. There are two ways of writing set. First is listing method or roster method. Second is rule method or a set builder form. Here first we will see listing method or a roster method. In this method, we write all the elements of a set in a curly bracket. Each of the element is written only once and separated by commas. The order of an element is not important, but it is necessary to write all the element of a set. Let's see some example. The set of an odd number between 1 and 10 can be written as A is equal to in curly bracket 3, 5, 7, 9 curly bracket completed. Like this we will write. If an element comes more than once, then it is a customary to write that element only once. Let's see example. In the word remember, the letter R, M, E are repeated more than once. So the set of letter of this word is written as A is equal to in curly bracket R, E, M, B curly bracket completed. Like this we will write. Now second method, rule method or a set builder form. In this method we do not write the list of an element, but write the general element using variable followed by a vertical line or a colon and write the property of the variable. Example, A is equal to in curly bracket X, vertical line x belongs to n means natural number, comma 1 less than equal to x less than 10 curly bracket completed, and read as set A is the set of all x such that x is a natural number between 1 and 10. Like this we will read. Let's see second example. B is equal to, in curly bracket, x vertical line x is a prime number between 1 and 10 curly bracket completed. Set B contains all the prime number between 1 and 10. So by using listing method, set B can be written as B is equal to, in curly bracket, 2, 3, 5, 7 curly bracket completed. Like this we will write. For rule method or set builder form, we have to see some notes here. For this sign we will use the special words. For is equal to we will use is. For curly bracket we will use set of. For vertical line we will use such that. For this sign we will use belongs to, and for comma we will use and. Now we will start with practice set 1.1. Here question number 1 is write the following set in roster form. Here we have to write the set in roster form. Question number 1 is set of even numbers. We already know what is even numbers. Now we have to write this in set in roster form. So answer will be A is equal to, in curly bracket, 2, 4, 8, dash 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 curly bracket completed. Like this we will write. Now question number 2 is set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Here we have to write the set of even prime numbers starting from 1 to 50. So answer will be, in curly bracket, 2. Here only 2 is the even prime number from 1 to 50. Now question 3 is set of negative integers. We already know what is negative integer. So answer will be, in curly bracket, -1, -2, -3 dot 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 curly bracket completed. Like this we will write. Question 4 is 7 basic sound of sargam, means sur. So we already know what is the basic sound of the sargam. So answer will be, in curly bracket, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, curly bracket completed. Like this we will write. Now question number 2 is write the following symbolic statement in words. This statement we have to write in words. Question 1 is 4/3 belongs to Q. So answer will be, 4/3 is an element of set Q. Like this we will write. Now question 2, -2 does not belongs to n. N means natural number. So answer will be, -2 is not an element of set n. Like this we will write. Now question 3, P is equal to, in curly bracket, P vertical and P is an odd number. Now this statement we have to write in word. So answer will be, P is the set of all P's such that P is an odd number. Like this we will write. Now question number 3, write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. Here we have to write the two sets using listing method and rule method. First we will write by listing method. A is equal to, in curly bracket, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 curly bracket completed. For this we have to see the pattern of this number. So now we will write this in rule method. So answer will be, A is the set of all x such that x is a n square and small n belongs to n is less than 6, curly bracket completed. Like this we will write. Now second, first we will write in listing method. B is equal to, in curly bracket, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, curly bracket completed. Now we have to write this in rule method. So answer will be, B is the set of all y such that y is a 2n and n is belongs to n and n is less than 6, curly bracket completed. Like this we will write. Now question number 4, write the following set using listing method. Here we have to use the listing method. So question 1 is, all the month in Indian solar years. Here they are asking us month in the Indian solar year. So answer will be, A is equal to, in curly bracket, Chaitra, comma Vaishakh, comma Jyeshtha, comma Ashadh, comma Shravan, comma Bhadra, comma Ashwin, comma Kartik, comma Agashan, comma Paush, comma Magh, comma Falgun, curly bracket completed. Like this we will write. Now question number 2 is, letter in the word complement. Here we have to write the letter in the word complement. So answer will be, x is equal to, in curly bracket, C, comma O, comma M, comma P, comma L, comma E, comma N, comma T, curly bracket completed. We have to write all the element only once. Question number 3, set of human sensory organs. We already know what is sensory organs, that we have to write here. So answer will be, y is equal to, in curly bracket, nose, comma ears, comma eyes, comma tongue, comma skin, curly bracket completed. Like this we will write. Now question number 4, set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Here we have to write the set of prime numbers starting from 1 to 20. So answer will be, z is equal to, in curly bracket, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, curly bracket completed. Like this we will write. Now question number 5, name the continent of the world. You know already name of the continent, so here we have to write this only. So answer will be, E is equal to, in curly bracket, Asia, comma Africa, comma Europe, comma Australia, comma Antarctica, comma South America, comma North America, curly bracket completed. Like this we will write. Question number 5 is, write the following set using rule method. Here question 1 is, A is equal to, in curly bracket, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, curly bracket completed. We have to see the pattern of this number. This is square of the number, so answer will be, A is the set of all x such that x is small n square and small n belongs to capital N. Capital N means natural number and small n is less than equal to 10. Like this we will write. Now question number 2 is, B is equal to, in curly bracket, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, curly bracket completed. Here also we have to see the pattern of the number. This is multiplication table of 6. So answer will be B is a set of all x such that x is 6n and small n belongs to capital N and small n is less than 9. Like this we will write. Now question number 3 is C is equal to in curly bracket S comma M comma I comma L comma E curly bracket completed. So C is the set of all y such that y is a letter in the word smile. It can also be written as letter of the word mile or limes. Now question number 4 is D is equal to in curly bracket Sunday, comma Monday, comma Tuesday, comma Wednesday, comma Thursday, comma Friday, comma Saturday curly bracket completed. So answer will be D is a set of all Z such that Z is a day of a week. Like this we will write. Now question number 5 is X is equal to in curly bracket A comma E comma T curly bracket completed. So answer will be X is a set of all Y such that Y is a letter in the word eat. It can also be written as letter of the word T or 8. Like this we will write. So here we completed with practice set 1.1. Thank you students.